What is the procedure of getting various documents from Bangalore University? So first of all, in the university website, you go to the download tabs. Please click the application form. After that, please go to the application forms related to the various related documents and click the download button. After getting download button click, you will get the documents form here. This is the document form of which is submitted to the university along with the various documents required for the migration or any other documents. First of all, you need to fill the mention the document required, which document are you required for, and name in block letters, residential address or postal address where you wanted to courier or speed post, name of your college branch. This is the important thing. Details of registration number and month of passing. Always fill this. If you not fill this, then procedure will not happen. So no DDs apply, no challan is applied. Only online payment is there, or this procedure is there. So we are getting there step by step. So next step, I you fill all the documents in the required field, and I will submit this form link in the description below. So first you need to know what is the price of the migration certificate or any other document. So here we can see the application fee for any correction of mark card 60 rupees and 220 for per card plus and 115 rupees per year. If your year are late, then per year 115 rupees are added. Or in second, release withheld result issue of mark sheet 390 marks card within month and 260 marks card per year. If you are getting late SMS above, if you are getting late per year, 260 rupees added. Duplicate mark sheet 535 rupees and plus 220 per year added if you are getting late. So my document is migration certificate. So for there I have to pay 650 rupees plus per year 115 rupees if plus 35 for postal charges if I getting document to my address by courier, then 35 extra I paid to the university. So for this is the values or rupees prices for the documents you have to pay to the Bangalore University. So in this application form, you have to pay through the bank payment, not through Challan, not through DD. It is payment through the payment portal of the university. Here, go to the home. After getting home, you have to pay to the payment portal of the. This is the payment portal of online service where you have to pay. So just click here. Then this type of site or dashboard is coming for of payment portal of Bangalore University where you have the payment link. So this is the payment link of all the documents and examinations fee and documents fee where you have to go through miscellaneous fee payment. After miscellaneous fee payment, click here for miscellaneous fee payment. In here you have contact number, fill the contact number. After filling the contact number, candidate name, email ID and the receipt type you have to choose. For receipt type we are choosing the migration certificate. We are having not autonomous college, so migration certificate for below 04 register number. So our register number is in with the register number of our in our result. The register number of Bangalore University in your result is the last 4 digits. So you have to write in the description box what is the description box is there. So you have to add your register number with your description and name. If you want to pay not here, you can directly go to the Bangalore University and pay through there. Extra 100 rupees charge there, but you go through there. He will pay and give you receipt from there only. So from here you have the receipt of your payment. After getting this, you fill all the application form attached to the application form, and for migration certificate the due certificate is also attached, and all the 8 semester mark certificate is attached. Not provisional certificate are attached. Please do not attach the provisional certificate. Here clearly mentioned in second, the candidate had their year semester, not year. I have experience. I go through the Bangalore University. He is tell that all the 8 semester mark sheet photocopy is submitted with the due certificate. If any due, then you have paid to the institute. So due certificate and 8 semester, all 8 semester certificate or 6 semester certificate. If you have getting 6 semester, you have getting 6 semester certificate, and if you have getting 8 semester for 4-year course, so you have getting 8 semester result. Photocopy is attached to him. So you have to sign here from your principal in this required field, and you have to sign here in the signature of the applicant. So when you go through your principal, the application submitted for due, and you get and you have getting your uh, due certificate from there in your institute. So after that, in how many days you have get your certificate? If you want to collect the certificate from your university, then after 2 week you will go to the university and collect your certificate, or you want to your certificate in your postal address, then you have to wait for 2 months. Yeah, you have to wait for 2 months, or 1.5 months, means 4 to 5 weeks.